നമസ്കാരം. ഡാറ്റ ഓൺലൈൻ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. PSC ഇന്ന് നടത്തിയ PWD ലൈൻമാൻ എക്സാമിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് തയ്യാറാക്കിയത് കാരണം ചെറിയ മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവാം, ദയവായി ക്ഷമിക്കുക. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഇത് ആൽഫ കോഡ് B ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് സീരീസ് സർക്യൂട്ട്. ഈ സീരീസ് സർക്യൂട്ടിന്റെ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഇതിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതിൽ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഫ്യൂസ് ഇൻ സർക്യൂട്ട് ആണ്. Second question, in Ohm's law, the condition is that the temperature should remain constant. Option B. Third question is, the resistance of a conductor on increasing the temperature increases. Fourth one, in a parallel circuit across each resistance, current divides and voltage remains the same. Fifth one, the property of a material which opposes the creation of magnetic flux in it is known as reluctance. Answer is option B. Reciprocal of reluctance is option C, permeance. The direction of forces on a conductor in a magnetic field is determined by Fleming's left-hand rule. Option B. The property of material which opposes the creation of magnetic flux in it is known as already it is reluctance. In electrical machines, laminated cores are used with a view of reducing eddy current loss. The magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux linkage. Static electromagnetic induction is adopted in case of option C, transformers. Eddy current is produced in a core that creates loss of useful energy. For an inductance, current is proportional to magnetic field. Option A. The electrical current is analogous to the magnetic circuit. Option A, flux. Electric current is defined as option A, flow of electrons in a conductor. What is the polarity of AC source? AC source changes, polarity changes at regular intervals. And the answer is option D. 17th question. What is the standard domestic supply voltage in India as per Indian standards? Is option A, 240 volt. Why AC transmission is preferred to long distance than DC? Answer is option B. It is easily available. And in question, how much time is required by 50 Hz AC supply to complete one cycle? Answer is option B, 0.02 seconds. What is the equation used to calculate the effective value, that is VRMS of the voltage in a wave? The answer is option A, 0.707 Vmax. In an AC circuit, a low value of kilowatt ampere rating compared with kilowatt rating indicates a high PF. In an AC circuit, the ratio of kilowatt bar kV divided by kilowatt ampere represents half factor. Option B. In AC circuits, laminated iron is used to reduce eddy current loss. Option A. Then an alternating current is or voltage is that it changes both magnitude and direction. Option C. 25. Compound generator is a self-excited generator. Option B. In DC lap winding, the number of parallel path A is equal to option A, P. What is the EMF in a 6-pole lap wound armature having 18 slots, 2 conductors per slot shaft rotating at 100 rpm, flux per pole is 0.1 Weber. Then the answer is option A, 6 volt. As per Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger points at the direction of option B, motion of the 28th question, option flux ആണ് answer. Option C ആണ്. The load current of a DC series generator is equal to series field current. In a long shunt compound DC generator, the shunt field winding is connected in parallel with the series connected armature and series field combination. The direction of rotation of DC motor can be changed by, here we can say both C and D as correct answers. 32. Speed of a DC motor is directly proportional to back EMF. The shaft torque in DC motor is less than armature torque, option A. A DC shunt motor is connected with 220 volt supply. It takes line current of 18 ampere, which will be the armature current if shunt field resistance is 100 ohm. Answer is option D, 16 amperes. The motor used in mixer grinder is a universal motor, option B. 36. An induction motor with 6 poles rotating at a speed of 950 rpm using 50 Hz supply. The percentage of slip is, answer is option A, 5%. The direct online starter is used to start the motor up to, option B, 5 HP. In slip ring induction motor starter, 3 external variable resistances are connected in star with the rotor circuit. Option C. 39. Which of the following is suitable for starting squirrel cage induction motor? Answer is option D, auto transformer starter. 40th question is, DIN rail is used to mount, option B, circuit breakers. Which of the following is not a method of synchronization? Here option D, MMF method is the answer. Centrifugal switch in a centrifugal pump motor is used to control supply through the starting winding. 43rd, that is option A. Then 43, speed of squirrel cage induction motor can be changed by varying the number of poles. 44, growler is a armature testing machine. 45, moderator is a part of, option D, nuclear power plant. The part which reduces the water hammering effect in hydroelectric power plant system is, option C, surge tank. Demand factor into connected load is equal to, option C, maximum demand. 48, solar PV module efficiency will always be less than cell efficiency, option B. Service lines are a part of secondary distribution, option D. Solar panel outputs does not depend on ampere hour capacity of connected battery, option D. Example for non-conventional energy sources, option C, sun. Conducting media in MHD tunnel is, option B, plasma. An 8-pole alternator produces 50 Hz supply. What will be the speed in RPM? The answer is option A, 750. Unit of solar irradiance is option C, watt per meter square. Advantage of DC transmission system. These are all the advantages of DC transmission system. So the answer is option D, all the above. Skin effect of a conductor increases with the increase in diameter. Which is provided to prevent the entry of moisture in underground cables? Answer is option C, metallic sheath. Value of fusing factor is always greater than 1. Which effect is accompanied by the production of ozone in overhead lines? Answer is option B, corona effect. Sag in overhead line S is equal to WL square divided by 80. Here L stands for option C, length of the span. Buchholz relay is located in between the conservator tank and main tank, option B. It gives support to the pole against falling. Answer is option B, stay set. Most of the substations are used to change voltage. Option C. Horn gap type surge diverter is a lightning arrestor. Option A. The transistor configuration used for impedance matching is option C, common collector. In PN junction diode, the depletion region contains, we can say better answer is immobile ions. Peak inverse voltage of center tapped full wave rectifier is 2 Vm. Option B. When transistor is used as a switch, its region of operation is option D, both B and C. The forbidden energy gap for silicon semiconductor is, here we can say better answer is 1.21 electron volt, hence option A can be given. The rectification efficiency of a half wave rectifier is 40.6%. Option B. The unit of luminous flux is option B, lumen. The material which can be used for filaments as incandescent lamps must possess all the above characters, and the answer is option D. According to inverse square law, the illumination of a surface is inversely proportional to the square of distance between the surface and the source. Option C. Electric motor used in mixer grinder is option A, universal motor. Which one of the following is an indicating type of instrument? Answer option both A and B. Option D. The instrument that totalizes events over a specified period of time is called option B. No, it is a recording instrument. Option A, recording instrument. Oh, sorry. Answer is option C, integrating instrument. 77. The induction type measuring instruments are used for AC measurements only. 78. Calculate the deflection for a moving coil instrument with deflection torque is given by 30 micronewton meters, and control spring constant is 2 micronewton meters per degree. Answer is We cannot give the answer because the answer we got was 15, but here the answer is given as 150 only is given, so we don't have the answer. Which one of the following is a disadvantage of PMMC instrument? Answer is errors due to aging of control spring and a permanent magnet. So the following parameters remain unchanged between primary and secondary windings of a step-up transformer. Answer is option D, frequency. Which one of the following is not a criterion for the parallel operation of a transformer? Answer is option A. The transformers are to be connected properly so that the net voltage around the local loop is not zero. This is the answer, option A. A 20 kVA 50 Hz 2000 by 200 volt distribution transformer has primary turns of 200. The minimum flux in the core is given by 0.045 Webers, option B. Which of the following cooling method is used for very large size transformers? Answer is oil to water heat exchanger unit is used for very large type transformer, option C. The fusing characteristics is a curve between fusing time and percentage of fuse current, option B. Which law states that in closed electric circuit the applied voltage is equal to the sum of voltage drops? This Kirchhoff's second law. What is the formula for quantity of electricity? This 86, option A, current into time. Which one defines the change in resistance in ohm per degree centigrade? This is the temperature coefficient, option D. The resistance of 240 volt 100 watt lamp will be, answer is option C, 625 ohm. The resistivity of a conductor increases very slowly by increasing the temperature, option B. The reciprocal of resistance is 90, option A, conductance. What are the three factors essential to make simple electric circuit? These are the electromotive force, current and resistance. This is option C. In short circuit, if short circuit is occurred in an electric circuit, then the value of resistance will be 0, option C. The current in a series circuit is same throughout the circuit, option A. The low resistance can be measured by Kelvin's bridge method, option C. As per Ohm's law, the current is directly proportional to the voltage, option A. Ohm's law states the relation between EMF, current and resistance, option B. The formula to find current as per Ohm's law is I is equal to V by R, option C. And 8th question, what is the change of resistance value of the conductor as its diameter is doubled? Decreases to 4 times, option B. Here there is nothing is mentioned about the length, so we would assume that the conductor has been stretched, so it is answer is option B, 98B. What is the value of resistance in an open circuit? Is infinity. Option D. The parallel circuit is used for ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഹൗസ് വയറിംഗ്. നമ്മൾ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കണ്ടിട്ട് ഒരു ഈസി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിട്ടാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. ഒരു 80 to 85% എല്ലാവർക്കും ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അത്രയും ആൻസർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളവർ എന്തായാലും പ്രതീക്ഷ വയ്ക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് നന്നായിട്ട് പരീക്ഷ എഴുതിയവർക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഡാറ്റ ഓൺലൈൻ്റെ റെഗുലർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബേഴ്സിനും മറ്റുള്ളവർക്കും വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.